Zelido.com. Egg and beer treatment for silky and healthy hair. Are you ready to have silky smooth, manageable hair? If you still haven't given your hair a nutritious treatment, prepare this recipe and repair your damaged hair without needing to buy expensive products. Our hair is exposed to a number of traumas that can cause dryness, weakness and excessive hair loss. We care about keeping our hair clean and shiny. However, continuous sun exposure, the use of heat appliances and some chemical products can cause serious damage. In this article, you'll learn about treatments for silky and healthy hair. The problem is that not all commercial treatments help us revitalize our hair, and many are so expensive that we can't afford them. What some people ignore is that there are remedies that are 100% natural. Although they're not so popular, they can have some interesting effects for those looking to help their hair recover in a healthy way. In this article, we suggest an egg and beer treatment made of 2 ingredients that are full of nutrients that strengthen and renew the hair strands. Are you ready to give it a go? Use egg and beer to revitalize your hair naturally. This revitalizing mask is a low-cost homemade treatment that will improve the appearance of your hair when it begins to deteriorate due to a lack of special care. It combines the properties of 2 ingredients which provide important benefits for our hair health. Plus, it eliminates the main problems that prevent your hair from looking beautiful. Benefits of egg for hair. Eggs are one of the most natural products that can help revive hair when it loses its shine and strength due to the damage it suffers from the environment. Eggs have significant amounts of high biological value proteins, which strengthen the hair follicle to prevent hair breakage. This increases hair thickness and reduces excessive hair fall. Plus, they also provide essential fatty acids and vitamin E, both necessary to retain moisture and shine from the roots to the tips. In addition, they also cleanse the scalp and reduces excessive sebum production, dead cells and dandruff. Benefits of beer for hair. Beer is made with natural ingredients that contain nutrients which are beneficial for hair health. First of all, beer is an important source of vitamin B complex, B1, B2, B6, folic acid and biotin, which are all necessary to control hair loss and growth problems. In addition, it contains malt and hops, which provide easily assimilated proteins to preserve strong and thick hair. It also regenerates hair cells and provides a protective layer against toxins and harmful chemicals. Plus, it reduces dehydration, prevents frizz and split ends. It's a natural conditioner that seals the cuticles and improves your hair's silkiness and shine. How do you prepare an egg and beer treatment? Regular application of this egg and beer treatment can help detoxify your hair and promote hair growth. These ingredients thoroughly clean the scalp and prevent fungus, bacteria and other microorganisms that cause infections and dandruff. It's advised that you do a small patch test to make sure you won't have a reaction. Remember that people react differently. Ingredients: 3 egg yolks, 1 can of non-alcoholic beer, 33 centiliters. Preparation. First, pour the egg yolks in a bowl and beat for a few minutes. Then, open the can of beer, pour it into a glass and wait a few minutes for the gas to go. Once all the gas is gone, mix it with the egg yolks. Mix everything very well and apply it as soon as you get a smooth mixture. How to apply. Separate your hair into several sections and spread the treatment all over your scalp. After covering the roots, use the remaining mixture to cover the strands, all the way to the ends. Cover everything with a shower cap and let it sit for 30–40 minutes. Afterwards, rinse with warm or cold water and let your hair air dry. Repeat this treatment 2 or 3 times a week for best results. Are you ready to have silky smooth, manageable hair? If you still haven't given your hair a nutritious treatment, prepare this recipe and repair your damaged hair without needing to buy expensive products. Remember, Although the effects of this treatment can't be felt immediately, your hair will feel cleaner and more moisturized after the very first application. Incorporate this treatment into your beauty routine and enjoy the benefits it can have on your hair in a short amount of time. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thank for watching.